Hello, my name is Dornitsa and I'm your Y-class instructor. In this video, we're going to talk about general settings, and I'm going to show you how to change your website's name and how to change your site's description. Also, we'll be looking at ads moderation and how does it work. So ads moderation will be useful in case you want to control the amount of ads, their content, or to manually avoid spammers. Without further ado, let's go to the admin panel, and from there you have to select settings and now general. Settings, it's rather simple. As you can see over here, you have your site's name and then your site's description. So I'm going to change my site's name just to show you how does it work. Now, you have the site description below and it's up to you, but just keep in mind that it will be used as from Google as a research result. So it has to be accurate. I'm gonna save the changes. Now, after successfully saving the changes, my website name should be changed, and I'm going to show you how it would look like. So as you can see from classified Zornitsa, now it's classifieds test. Okay. Ways to publish an ad, but I'm going to show you what am I referring to. So when you're in your admin panel, you have to go under classifieds and then moderation. So over here, this is the moderation, and I have one ad which waits to be activated. Now it's really easy to activate an ad. You can just click on it and then click on yes, definitely to activate it. All right. So the first way to publish an ad is to post it directly. This way allows the users to post new advertisement without any validation, which basically means that the administrator of the page will not have obligation to activate incoming ads. But of course, this has its downsides, so think carefully when you want to choose a way to publish ads on your website. Basically, with the post directly, you're skipping moderation. Now, the second way is with moderation on. This option introduces a limitation on publishing. So every new advertisement created is sent to moderation, and as I already showed you, it has to be activated by the administrator, and it will be only published with the date of activation. There is the other way to publish an ad with the payment on. So when the payment is active, the user is redirected to a payment gateway. This happens only in cases in which the user has set fixed amount of money that's considered to be valid. Other ones are dealt like a case of post directly. So keep this in mind. There is the email confirmation on. The advertisement is set to unconfirmed. With this option, every advertisement needs to be confirmed by the user, not by the administrator, but by the user. So it's a standard way of confirming by email. So what happens? The user receives an email, clicks on the link that's provided, and then the advertisement is validated and published. Now, the email confirmation with moderation, this is the advertisement set to unconfirmed, and here the user needs to do the email activation, and then the ad is sent to the moderation to be validated by the admin. As you can see, there isn't such a big difference between the email confirmation and email confirmation with moderation. So in both cases, the advertisement will be published with the date of activation. Now, the payment with moderation, as in the case of payment on, the user is redirected to a payment gateway only if the product has a fixed amount. So if it hasn't, it wouldn't go to these ways of publishing. Besides, the advertisement is also perceived as moderation on, which will basically mean that if the payment is successful, the advertisement will be sent to moderation, and then once again it has to be activated by the administrator. So if the process hasn't been handled with the payment, this advertisement will be set back in moderation and will be awaiting for the admin to activate it. So think carefully when it comes to choosing ways to publish your ads. Now over here, I'm going to go back to moderation and I'm going to activate this ad just to show you how to do that in case you decide to use moderation on option. So I'm going to click on yes, and now this ad should appear on my website. I'm just going to refresh the page. which in my case is the way to publish an ad on my website, it appears here. It's rather simple, but if you need any additional information here on our documentation, you can find anything you need. This link will be published in the video description, so you can easily find it. And if you need any more information, you can read it from here. Now, that was it. Thank you for watching the video, and I hope it was helpful. See you in the next one.